What's going on, guys? Back with another video, and today we have this flexible clamp, ideal for phone, pad, GPS and more. I paid for this $2, so you can see it says right here, easily clamps to desks and other surfaces. A flexible arm provides 360 degrees viewing. Okay, we have a holder, adjust to fit up to 6.5 inches screen. Rotate sleeve to adjust the clamp, so you can see. By Momentum Brands. Okay, let's open this box. Let's check it out. Let's see what is this about, right? There you go. It comes in the bag, 2 parts. First impression, it looks, for $2, it looks pretty good. It looks strong. This thing is hard. We'll figure it out. This go back here. It comes with this adjust to fit. So you can see, let's try it on my phone. They have this silicone on the corners, soft silicone, so it doesn't scratch your phone or nothing like that. There you go. It holds pretty good, so you can see. Cool. Okay, let's put this together. Bear with me. Let's open this thing. There you go. Now I can tighten this. So you can see it looks pretty good, pretty strong. Let's try this. Oh, you can rotate the screen however you want it, side to side. Oops, sorry. I did it. You can rotate this however you want it. Okay, I'm just gonna get this clamp and adjust it right here on my table. Bear with me. This table is like 1 inch thick, so I'm just gonna place my flexible clamp. This is strong, this is hard. Okay, let's see. Nice. It feels very strong. Now I can tie this. Oops, I don't want to break my table. It's plastic, but I'm just gonna move the camera just a little bit higher, so you guys can see what I'm doing here. Let me remove the phone. Oh wow, this is strong. This is so hard. I'm gonna try it with my tablet as well, so you guys can see it. Oh wow, 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 wow. Okay, I'm gonna place my phone here. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty strong. You can move it however you want it. Okay, I'm gonna try my tablet, guys. Let's see if it fits right here. It's a little bit heavier. Oh, I like this. It looks pretty good, guys. It looks pretty good. as you can see. There you go. Whew. Oh, I like this to watch some movies right here on the tablet. As you can see, you can rotate your tablet anywhere you want. If you touch, it's gonna be wobbly, but after a little bit, it stays put. So when you're watching a movie or something, sorry guys, my tablet is all messed up. It's so cracked. The screen is cracked. It feels pretty strong for $2. Oh yeah. Let's see how high I can go with this. If I can put it, oh yeah. Yeah. It's pretty good, guys. There you have it, guys. The flexible clamp. For $2, I do recommend this. It's super strong. It holds the tablet. It's kind of wobbly in the beginning, but if you don't touch it for a while, it will work perfectly. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Tell me what you think. I'll talk to you later, guys.